If you're a science enthusiast, you'll love this. Discover how nanotech is revolutionizing water purification. Hi, I'm Dr. Edison from the Nanotech Lab. Our mission? Tackling one of the world's biggest challenges, clean water. At our lab, we're pioneering advanced filtration membranes and nanomaterials to revolutionize water purification and desalination. Imagine turning seawater into fresh drinking water with minimal environmental impact. That's what our cutting-edge technology aims to achieve. By developing highly efficient materials, we're not only enhancing the quality and production rate of clean water, but also ensuring sustainability. Clean water is a right, not a privilege. And at the Nanotech Lab, we're dedicated to making that a reality. Our research is paving the way for a cleaner, more sustainable future. So, join us on this exciting journey as we unlock the potential of nanotech to make clean water accessible to all. Stay curious, and together we can change the world.